What if you could control a super powerful AI coding agent from your phone, even when you're nowhere near your computer? No laptop, no SSH, just open Telegram and chat with your machine like it's right there with you. That's exactly what QWENCODE just added in version 0.143, and it feels like magic. You've probably seen the new Claude mobile app feature where pro users can connect to their computer and run commands. It's cool, but it's locked behind a paid subscription. It's just like what we get with OpenClaw. But right now, OpenClaw has a lot of security problems and it's not completely free. You need an API key. Even if you somehow get a free API key, OpenClaw will eat up all the free limits in just minutes. But that's not a problem with Qwen code at all. You get 1000 requests every single day on their brand new Qwen 3.6 coder model, one of the strongest coding models out there right now. And the best part, you can do all of this through a simple Telegram bot you set up in under a minute. Let me show you how easy it is. Now, let me walk you through the full setup. It's super simple and takes less than a minute. First, open your terminal on the computer where you want the AI to run. Make sure Qwen code is installed and updated to the latest version. Just copy and paste this one command in your terminal if you're on Mac or Linux. But if you're on Windows, there is a separate command that you can find on GitHub or the QWENCODE webpage. Then check the version with Qwen version. It should show 0.143 or higher. Next, create your own Telegram bot. Open Telegram, search for botfather, start a chat, and type new bot. Give it any name you like, then a username that ends with bot with an underscore. Botfather will give you an API token. Copy that long string carefully. Now go back to your terminal and open the Qwen code settings file with this command nanoroot /.qwen/settings.json. Paste this exact block inside the file and replace your token here with the real bot token you copied. Press Ctrl O to save, then enter and Ctrl X to exit. Finally, start your Telegram channel with this command. Qwen channel, start my Telegram. You'll see a message saying the channel is running. That's it. Now open Telegram, search for your bot, and start chatting. Type anything like list files or what's the current time, and watch it reply instantly from your computer. Now the fun begins. I was away from home, sitting on my phone, and I wanted to build a beautiful landing page for selling books. I just messaged my bot, create a modern landing page for selling books with colorful design. It thought for a bit, then started generating the full code using the powerful Qwen 3.6 model. A few minutes later, it said done. I've built it and started the server on localhost 8000, but I couldn't see it, so I told it take a screenshot of the whole page using Playwright and send me the image. It couldn't send the picture directly through Telegram, so it smartly uploaded it to a free image host and replied with the direct link in seconds. I clicked it, and wow, the landing page was stunning. Clean layout, glowing shadows, multicolored borders, everything looked professional. I could actually see my AI building and running real stuff while I was miles away. Check this, I just typed Qwen channel status and it shows my Telegram channel has been running smoothly for over 3 hours with zero issues. This is the future of coding, guys. Free, open, and ridiculously simple. If you want the exact same setup, the full Qwen code repo is linked in the description. Try it today and tell me in the comments what's the first thing you're going to build with your phone controlled AI. Drop a like if this blew your mind, subscribe for more crazy AI tips, and I'll see you in the next one.